Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix verification failed on your iPhone. Well, if you are also seeing a pop-up that says verification fail, there can be quite reasons for it. First of all, you can simply check whether your date and time is correct or not. So you can go to the settings, and from here you can tap on the search bar right here and search for date and time. Here you can see date and time, tap on it. And here you can see currently my time zone is this. So if your time zone is not correct, there might be the problem of this verification failed popping up. So you have to make sure that this set automatically is turned on. When it is turned off like that, you'll get the option of changing the time zone. But if you turn this on, your time zone will set automatically. So after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is make sure that you are not having issue with your sign in or sign out problem. So if you are having that, you can simply sign out of your account, simply get to the settings just like this. Here you can see we're on the main settings. And from here, you can simply tap on your account right here. And from here, scroll down, you can tap on sign out just like this. And then there will be the option of adding down your Apple account password. Simply do that and tap on turn off, and then you'll be signed out of your Apple ID, and then you can go back and sign in back in and see if it's working. But even after that, if it's still not working, then you might just want to shut down and restart your phone, for which again you can get to the settings from here, general, and scroll all the way down. You can see the option of shutdown. If you tap on it, here you can see if you slide this off, your phone will be shut down. And you can long press on your power button in order to turn it back on, and like that you can see if it fixed your problem or not. So even after doing all of that, if it's still not fixing, then you can try to reset all of your settings, for which you can simply get to the settings of your phone one more time. Just like this, on the settings, again tap on general, and from here scroll all the way down. And then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and then you can tap on reset network settings or reset all settings. If you tap on either of those, you'll have to write down your passcode. So simply write down the passcode just like this, and then tap on reset network settings one more time. Like that, all of your network settings or all of your settings of your phone will go back to the default. And like that, it might fix your issue. But even after doing all of that, if it's still not fixing your issue, then you might want to simply open your Safari or any other browser. For example, I'm on the Google, and from the Google, you'll have to search Apple system status. Just like this, here you can see I have searched it, and this is the official support of Apple. So tap on this link and open it. And after opening it, here you'll get this type of layout, from which you'll have to tap on this plus like icon right here, and you can see all of my services are currently available. So if you are having any kind of service error, there will be the option of unavailable. So you'll have to wait about an hour or so in order for all of your services to be available. This might be one of the reasons that pop-up is showing up. And just like that, you can try to fix your verification failed pop-up on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.